important part of the social media, news media or informative media. And I have created one amazing call out which you can see in the screen with amazing music and how you can change it with your desired requirement using the MOGRT file in Premiere Pro. Let me show you guys. So now we are in Premiere Pro guys, and we have to bring our MOGRT file into our essential graphics panel. If it is not visible in your workspace, you have to jump into the windows and you have to click onto the essential graphics option. Then it will be visible in your essential graphics panel in your workspace. Then jump into the browse option over here and click on this plus icon, and wherever your motion graphics or MOGRT file is there, you have to just select that file and click open. I have already bring that file over here. You can see that, and for search that you have to just type the social media search word over here and just press enter. Then this selected word MOGRT file will be open over here, and then you can just scroll and find out. So I have my file over here, so I'm just going to bring into my layer timeline, and now it will be open. You can see that now this is one issue I have. What is the issue? The issue is that my colors of the graphics are matching with my background footage. So I want to change this, and that is the important of this MOGRT file. And I have given the all option that you can make it change. So just select that file layer and jump into the edit option. Now you can just jump into the graphic colors. So I'm just going to change my graphic colors into something different shades. So I'm just going to choose the yellow shade for that, and let's pick every graphics color something like a yellow. So you can see that it's changed like that. Now let me change my title also and that shade also. So I'm just going to make it something like my name. Okay, now you can see that I have just typed my name, and now I want to change the shade of that. So I'm going to pick the same yellow shade from over here for my bottom title, and let's make it okay. Now let's jump onto this title, and I'm going to leave with that, but I want to change the color of that. So I'm just going to select this, and I'm making the change into the white color. Now one thing, this below text is going out of this area, so you have the size option also for both the text, not above one. We want to change for this one. So now I'm going to make it something change like this one. So you can see that it's looking really amazing. You can change the size of all the graphics from over here. From main panel, you can select the layer, come into the effect controls, and you can change the scale, all the graphics, whatever the graphics you are used, and you can change the position also wherever you want. You can place it over here, place it over here, or onto the center of your composition, wherever you like guys. Now one more thing, I want to place my logo over here. I will just bring my icon over here. Let's make a scale down. Let me apply the 10 value over here. Okay, it's done. Now let's in the position, let's make it a little bit bigger. I'm just going to apply the value 12. Yes, that's look good. Now I have just given the instruction for this one. So just select on this browse option, edit option, and select your social media MOGRT file. You can see that I have specifically mentioned that its animation should be run from 14th frame to 23rd frame to reveal it. So for that you can use the scale or opacity property, which will work better for this MOGRT file. So how can we do that? So let's jump onto the first of all 14th frame over here, and let's make it enter. So now what I will do, I will just make the scale size. So select your logo or icon layer and just click onto the scale property, and I'm just going to make the scale value 0 over here. Then I'm going back over here again, and let's type the 23rd frame and make enter. And now again I'm going to make the scale size is 12 over here. So you can see that my logo is visible. Now select both the keyframe over here, right click on that and convert into the Bezier. Then just open this scale property, and you can see the graph over here. So just change the graph something like this. So as you play, you can see that it's going really amazing. So just for buy that, you have to message me on Instagram, and my link is mentioned below into the description. So like it, subscribe it, share it, comment how you like this one, and also click onto the bell icon so you will get the notification about upcoming After Effects project files, free templates or paid templates, and also upcoming tutorials. See you next time. Goodbye.